Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Friday and there's a lot of transactions I need to catch up on. So this is income and it was my husband's first paycheck from the 3rd, so we'll put that in there. And while we're at the top, we'll just make it simple. Interest and his paycheck from today. Okay. We're gonna add in some more. Okay. I sold my AirPods on Tuesday. Oh, I did that wrong. Yeah. Thought that looked a little weird. For $50. I sold I'm doing it again. Ninja Blender. For $50. And I sold my iPad for $225. Yesterday. So $325. I thought I added it in here, but I didn't see it. House cleaning was on Sunday. He still has a whole other paycheck because, like I said, luckily this is a 3 paycheck month. I mean, it's the last day, but even still. So I'm gonna put this at I'm scared. Not scared. I was like, let's see if I can do math. How much is left to receive? Okay, we're good. It'll probably be more. Knock on wood. But there. That's fine. Okay. So, now to the fun stuff. Restaurant. It's a very common one. Restaurant. Let's see if this has a split. I don't have a note, so I'll just go ahead and put it for groceries. Milk is groceries. So sour cream, so that's groceries. This is miscellaneous. I thought I put that beside Walmart, but I guess I didn't. $9. I believe this was sliced cheese, so pepper jack cheese, a block of cheese, and an energy drink. Let's see if this has a split. Also, it doesn't show to have one. So groceries. Sonic snacks. So there's fun money. restaurant. Sam's Club. This does have a split. Some is grocery and some is household. Okay. It says household is 48. Tortillas, another grocery. Okay, so scroll back down. Let's see if we can get some bills, some Netflix, internet, water. I don't know why Cricut's not on here. I guess I just didn't feel like putting it. 80 on the 5th. Oh, I did. It's just a different day. Okay, oh well. So we'll just trash can. Oh yeah, we did get prescriptions yesterday. That's not in here yet. But also we didn't get them all. Okay, so fuel. Dog food, pets. Hobby Lobby, this is miscellaneous. And like I said, this Walmart is miscellaneous. More fuel. And fun money, this was cash. Okay, now I feel like we're missing a couple milks. Okay, we do have a milk for the 6th, but we also need one for the 12th. Okay, so 119, 5, 131, 2, 9, 5, 124. So far, so good. Check out restaurants. So far, only 3. That's good. But I guess you can put it under mine. I went to lunch the other day and it was $40 some. I'm gonna say 41 until I figure it out. But we went to lunch, I think Thursday last week or so. Anyway. And this is probably going to be what we're going to have for supper this evening. So I'll put $41 here. Oh, I didn't even put it under my food. Dummy. Oh well. It's not that hard to change, but it's fine. Okay, Spotify. That'll probably come out today or so. Okay, we didn't add any and won't add any to this. But 3, okay. Anyways, I used 340 of it to buy an iPad mini. And that was on Sunday. Actually, I don't guess I used the 40 of it. I think we only used 300 because he forgot to put the 40. So yeah, which makes it better. But still, it was put into checking. Okay. In taxes, it was out of the cash that I had from selling stuff. But to actually pay to have the taxes done, we paid $255. Oh, where'd my decimal go? And we did that yesterday. And we do owe, so I guess I can put that here, for how much the goal is to save, if there is one. Target amount, we're just going to put it at 1,300. I could do some math real quick. It's ridiculous. Stupid taxes. Anyways. I want to make that go away. Okay. So. I think everything right now looks pretty good. It helps me a little better. Less stress. I'm catching up on everything. So. All the normal bills. Oh yeah, my payment. Okay. That came out yesterday. And like I said, we'll just go ahead and say that wherever it went, Spotify come out today. That's fine too. Oh, this went up. I guess I can go ahead and tell you that. It's going to be like 169 something. I'll just put 170 for now. Oh, and I did make, it could also, I guess, be considered miscellaneous, my money, whatever you decide to put it as. I think it was like $35 or so. I'm just going to put that for now. I'll change it to whatever it was later. But I bought the iPad case and screen protector. So 76. Like I said, that's so much better for now. I kind of know where we're at, so that's awesome. And I'm running out of time. But like I said, I'm caught up, so it's all good. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.